Yeah, one question I just skipped was that many parents say that how can I make my child read? Now my children are not reading, so I tell them that you know kids do what we do, not what we say. Yeah, they will just replicate what we do. If you watch TV, they'll watch TV. If you are on mobile, they will be on mobile. If you read books, they will read books. Okay, I am yet to see a family where parents are voracious readers and their kids hate to read. Impossible. ऐसा होगा ही नहीं. Yeah. So it's doing, not what we say. You know, my dad never told me to exercise ever in his life, but during my lifetime, for all the since my birth, I have never seen him in bed after 5:30, and I always used to hear his footsteps as he used to run on the terrace. और मैं वो आधी नींद में वो मेरे को सुनाई देता था, बस उतना ही मेरे को मालूम था. Dad never told me please exercise and that will make you healthy. And today I'm a fitness freak guy. I exercise 7 days a week. So preaching is not going to work. You have to live the character. If you really want your kids to read, you have to read, and don't tell them to read. They will follow you. Yeah, and you don't have to pretend. अरे मेरा बेटा आ गया, चलो मेरे को मोबाइल को छुपाने दो. ऐसा नहीं. They'll come to know. You actually have to keep away those devices.